going to be designing our site. We did the revolution slider last time, and we got this as our slider. We added the arrow and everything. So we're going to be designing our site today. Now, I like designing my site from the front end and the back end. This is your front end. As the site is like this, you can be designing the site like this. All you need to do is click on edit page. I can be designing the site right here. And over here is where your back end. Just go to the pages. Once you design the exact page on the back end, then you click on edit. Then it brings you to your okay, so you get this. Okay, so we're going to kind of down my phone today. Okay, so we're going to be editing our page from the front end and the back end. So let's click on this edit page. Okay. So this is what I mean. Like if you're here now, I'm going to be editing a page from this particular place. When you double click on a place like all this text or button, when you double click on it brings you to this place where you can actually change the words and everything. But I don't really like it. I like to see it as I do it. So you can also do it from here. So just click on build on the front end. Build on the front end. You click on it. Okay. So here you'll be able to edit your page on the front end. So now I don't want this place at all. I want to do it with this place because we already have our slider, so there's no need for this to be here. So you just click on delete. This blue icon is the. Let me just show you what I mean. This place now, if you want to delete everything here, you delete it from this blue icon. Click on delete. This one is this black one. Then this one, as I see the area where the green part is. Where the green part is. So this one is for the text. This one is the text. This is the divider now. We want to delete everything, including the image. Just click on delete here, or just go to the back here and this is it here. Then click on delete. This is the divider, the text, and the button. Just click on delete. So let's come here. So and then we click on delete. Okay. And as you do your work, you should always save it in case of any error. You should always save it. Okay. So then the next thing I want to do now is so let me check. Okay, the services they offer. Okay, so let's use the services that they offer. Give me 6. Architectural and engineering design project. Building infrastructure construction. Construction management. Then just double click on this. Sorry. just highlight this and then click on paste, then click on OK. So you have automatically there. So I'm going to add a few wordings to this part, but not now. So building and infrastructure, construction. I'll copy that too, and I'll also come into the settings and then I'm going to paste it. Okay, so this also is construction management. Construction management. Copy. So you're going to keep on copying and pasting that. So this is just how you edit your site. You just have to be creative with what you do. So, okay, so you just paste this too. You are the main work of the site. Your clients will not tell you how they want the site to be unless maybe they give you a particular site and be like, okay, we want our site to be like this. All they will just give you is the content. You are the one that will have to create the layout of the site and how you want it to be and all that. So you just have to be creative about everything. Okay, so okay. So now the next thing I want to do is okay. These icons are even okay. These icons are actually good for it. Architectural, building, construction, modeling. Okay, but let me see if I can get another kind of icon. Go to the settings here. Image and icon. Okay, it's an image. It's an image. Okay, it's an image. Let's change this. Okay, architecture. Okay, so there's nothing of architecture here, so we'll use an icon. Hmm. Okay, so let's check for the image size. Let's check the image size. So 128 by 128 pixels. They are all 128 by 128. Okay. Now let's come to Google and check for architectural icons. See what I mean by you have to be creative. Architectural. Let's check for architectural icons. Let's enter. Okay, so let's come to images. Okay, so you have to look for licensable images. Okay, let's architecture and engineering design icons. Let's search for that. I'm actually comfortable with that. But I'm trying to see if I can find anything else. Okay, so let's look for. It's mostly around buildings, isn't it? Yeah, it's mostly around buildings. I think we're going to go with that. Okay, so let's just go with this and now we're going to find some wordings for this later. Okay, so now just come down. And let's see. Okay, now this is no project too big or small. I'm going to copy it. Let me save it to library. Now let me just copy it. Okay, so here I'm going to add a new number. Then let's make it text. Put it my heading. Okay. Okay, so now after doing this, you want to click on align center so it will be in the middle. So just click on here, align center, then you come to the middle. So now that you've done this, you will now come to designs here. Then you click on heading text, which is this text. Then you click on the font weight. I like to make it ultra bold. Then I click on okay, so I change the text color to the main color, which is this particular color over here, like this yellowish orange color for construction. So FFP400, that's the color. Okay, so now what we want to do next is the heading text size. We want to increase it. Let's make it 60. Okay, so it's okay like that. Should we give it? Okay, I think this is okay. Okay. So the next thing we want to do now is, now the space that this has is too much. So just hold it real. When you see this blue shadow, not blue shadow number, when you see this blue shadow that is like fading blue, double click and drag it up. See, it has gone down a bit, right? Now you come to the one on top too. Then double click and drag it up too. So now everything would look, you know. Now let's drag this one up too. Okay. Let's try to make it okay. So I think this is better now. Okay, so this is better now for our services. But let's bring it down a bit because it's too close to the it's too close. So let's bring it down a bit. Yes. Okay, so now that this is okay, so just click on save. Nice. Okay, so it's saved. Now let me check on the things that I don't really want that I want to delete. Mm-hmm. Let me check on the things that I don't really want that I want to delete. Okay, so I'm going to keep this. I'm going to keep this place. I'm going to keep this place. Okay, so this button is going to lead to the About Us page. Going to lead to the About Us page. Okay, so now this client's testimonials. This client's testimonials. So now this client's testimonials. I want to so let me copy that. Then paste. You have to make sure that you copy it. Okay, then you can paste it here. Okay. Now let's get a name. Okay. And then we get the second one, sir. Okay. Okay. So then you save that too. And now we're done with the client testimonials. Okay. So now let me add this contact us part. So let me add their number now. So their mail. So the number. Okay. Okay. So you save that too. Let's add one more client testimonial. Okay, so what I did now was that I saved this to library, so I'll be able to use it here again. So let me check if it's in my library. Okay, so this is it now. Now, once you want to use something like this exact same again, all you have to do is to save it to the library. Then you click on it again. Okay, so now you edit it. So now let's get the man's name, the client's name. Okay, so now listen. Let me see if I can edit this a little. Okay, so now let's see what we can add to this place. Okay, let me save it.